Hi, so today I decided to just make my video of showing how I make the food I've started eating after my workout with my new routine. Before, this used to be my breakfast, and then I would eat something else before my workout, and then I would work out. Now that I'm doing my workout in the morning, I eat the same meal I would eat before my workout, but I just eat it first thing in the day, and then I eat this after, and then I eat dinner later. So it's avocado toast with chicken, basically. It's pretty simple, but it's really, really good the way that I make it. So, and I talked about it in my last two videos, and I'm trying to keep in the habit of making videos, so that's what I'm doing. So it's this bread. It's whole wheat sprouted grain bread because I like it, and sprouted grain has fiber in it that's good for you, and it tastes good to me, and that's it. So let's and anyway, I have that in the toaster right now, so that's the first thing I do is put it in the toaster. I'm gonna move the camera down, hopefully to a good spot where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is where I start with just an avocado, and I use half of the avocado. I guess it's useful, like, your avocado should be just a little bit squishy. Not too squishy and not too firm. If it's too firm, it won't even cut or mush like you want it to. If it's too squishy, it might be bad. So this is a good avocado. I cut it in half, like this. Beautiful. So what I do to save it is I'm going to use this half because the pit kind of keeps that other little divot area airtight. So for the rest of it, I take the avocado and I take some lemon juice and just kind of do like this to it, which I'm going to do, I guess, carefully right here. Usually I do that over the sink, but it's fine. The lemon juice also helps preserve that outside of the avocado, and then I just put that in a bag and squeeze all the air out. Put it in the fridge for tomorrow. So then, this is kind of new. I have this fancy little avocado tool. If you eat avocados, you probably have one of these. If you eat avocados and don't have one of these, you should have one of these. So what you do is you stick it in like that, and then you scoop basically, and you have your avocado all scooped out, and then you throw this part away. This little thing's for the pit grabber. Maybe I should have done the pit half today to show you how that works, but you just stick it in the pit and go, and then pop out the pit and dump and throw the pit away. So it's cool. I just don't use this because I like my knife better, but I think that's for cutting it in half if that's what you want to do. Yeah, so that's done. Then what I do is I take, let's see, if this can be on camera. My scale? Yeah. So I take my scale and I just have this prepared chicken, and I do 3.5 ounces of chicken. Like that. Yep. Okay. And then let's see, my toast is ready. So I take the toast, beautiful toast, put it on the plate. I don't think you can see the plate. There. Now you can kind of see both things, I think. Yeah, it's not the best lighting, but hey. There we go. Yeah. So I do the avocado first, and I just take about half of each of this half, you know, since it was a whole avocado to begin with. A quarter is what that is, if your brain is big. And then, so here's my technique for this. This is patented avocado technique. So you just kind of like chop it up, and then you can sort of just spread it. This is why you want your avocado to be like the right consistency when you squeeze it. That's why you do this squeeze test on it, because you want this to happen. So there's that. That's kind of, yeah. Okay, and then same thing on this side. Just kind of chop it all. And then spread it. Yeah. Just like to do it pretty evenly and get all the avocado on there. Boom. Okay. Then the, I guess second to last thing is I take the chicken, and I also just kind of chop that up a little bit more finely. Woo! That was close to cutting my finger. And then I do the same thing obviously here. So I just kind of do in half and take each half and put it on the bread. From an outside perspective, I don't know how appetizing this looks, because to me it looks really good and I like it. I mean, I don't know if it looks that good, I just know what it is, so I'm hungry and excited to eat it. So, I guess you could tell me what you think, if I'm weird, or my perceptions is skewed. So, last thing I do, hold on. I'm gonna put this stuff out of the way. For now, the scale is done. Put that in view, I guess. Gotta work on this lighting for next time. I need a little portable light like I have at my streaming desk. So, last thing I do is seasoning, and I have a couple simple seasonings that I like and use. First one is just roasted garlic and herb. Oh, that wasn't in the camera. Stuff, which is really good. It's kind of on both of them pretty lightly. Some sea salt, just normal pink Himalayan sea salt. Whoops. And pepper. Voila. It's beautiful. And yeah, and that's what I eat. So it's super good. Here's what we're gonna do now is, okay, we finished. This is our avocado toast. It looks delicious to me, hopefully to you too. And this is what we're gonna do to end the video. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.